In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Facebook fan page commenters into Chatbot subscriber. Okay, so let's start. Now, the case scenario of this kind of thing is, for example, let's say you want to give people your lead magnet and you want to turn them into subscriber. Okay, so and you don't want to use the method that we use in this place, so you want to put up a post on your Facebook fan page, and whenever anyone comments to the to that post, the chatbot is going to automatically reply the person and send the person a message privately in Messenger. So after that, if the user now respond with a keyword that we are going to set up in artificial intelligence, when the user respond with that keyword, the user is going to be automatically subscribed to your chatbot. Okay, so we'll need to make use of this lead magnet we used in one of the earlier videos. So I'm going to copy it from here and try and paste it over here so that to be able to have access to it. Okay, so now let's say I want to put up a post on my Facebook fan page. Okay, so I want to give away something. Let's say it's a new ebook, and I want to use the opportunity of the ebook to gain more subscriber into my chatbot, so that anyone that comments on the post on that page, so they are going to get into my chatbot and become a subscriber. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a block where they are going to land when they come into my chatbot. Okay, because that is where they are going to be able to download the ebook. It's not only ebook, you can give people videos, you can give them audio. I've done for my clients, I've done videos. For myself, I've done video giveaway, I've done ebook. So there are several ways you can use this. You can either use video or audio or ebook or whatever format or whatever lead magnet you want to give away. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new block. Okay, so what do we name this? So let me say comment to subscriber. Okay, good. So now what is going to be the first thing they are going to encounter when they land on this page from the comment on the fan page? Okay, so let's set that up. So I'm going to add a typing card for 1.7 seconds. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to, let's say I can say hello, then okay, so let's say I want to say I'm happy for you, then the person's first name. Okay, so after that I will say something like, as promised in my post, please click on the ebook below to download instantly. Okay, so now we are going to put the ebook over here, so you can also have a typing card. So the next one is, when we want to display our ebook or video, I said we'll make use of the JSON API. So you just select it like this and you use get. I copied this API was gotten from this lead magnet video that we did earlier. So instead of us going over again and doing that, I will just copy it over here, and it's going to show the ebook that we showed in this place. So now this is everything you need to do. I'm here for you. Then the first name, as promised in my post, please click on the ebook below to download instantly. So maybe something like, you can say thank you so much. So if you want to get them somewhere else, you can do that. Probably you tell them to subscribe or something, so that, so let's say I want to say let's say I want to lead them to subscribe to updates, so I'll just say updates. So whenever they get in from when they comment on the page, this is the flow. When they comment on the page, so the chatbot is going to send the user a message privately instantly, and it will tell the user to comment with a keyword. Once the user comments with a keyword, the user is going to be led over here, and automatically the user is inside the chatbot. The user is now a subscriber of the chatbot. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on artificial intelligence. I said the user is going to type in a keyword. So that keyword, we need to set it up so that when the user types in the keyword, the user is going to be led to this block. So that means we'll come to set up AI and link it back to this block. So with the keyword that we want to use, you can use anything. Just make sure that it's something that is very simple for the user to type in quickly, so that they won't be delayed. So now the block is commenter, comment to subscriber. So you can put in something here. Maybe you want them to, it's all depend on you. You want them to say bot. So when the chatbot sends them a message privately, then we put it inside that, okay, the user should type bot to be able to get access to this block. So we've set this up. So the next thing to do, imagine I just noticed that the Chatfuel company just did an update. Just right now, this menu used to be the build menu, and right now in just a few seconds it has turned to automate. They just changed the button. It used to be the build menu, as I said in earlier video. It's now automate button. Okay, so now the next thing to do is we've set up our AI, and we've set up our block for displaying the lead. Okay, fine. So the next thing for us to do is go over to the Facebook page where we want to demonstrate this. So let's say you have something like I want to this is just an example. I want to give away a new ebook. I just wrote about how to build a chatbot. Okay, so you can tell them to comment something like, you can say comment with any word, any keyword you want. But in this case, I'm going to say comment bot below to get it instantly via messenger, something like that. So the advantage of this kind of posts on your page that people can get the lead magnet from is that you can actually advertise this post. But personally, I don't advertise in the earlier stage. I make sure that I let the post to gather some organic traffic, and there's going to be a lot of people that have commented. At least 50 people must have commented before I'm going to turn on the advert, if I want to do the advert for it, so that whoever gets into the post and he or she sees that a lot of people have commented earlier, so it will be very, very easy for him or her to also comment. Okay, so Now let's say this is the copy for the post. So all you need to do is to publish your post. So you make sure you publish your post, and at this stage you need to be very careful, especially if you have a page that has a lot of fans, with a lot of people on there, because immediately they see this, they will just come over here and comment. And we need to set up something else after this to be able to connect this post to the blog that we just did. Okay, so now the first thing we'll do here is I'm going to come back here and select myself, the owner of the Facebook profile. Okay, so you comment on your own, you say something like this. Okay, after commenting, you just over to this timeline, this date, and if you over below, you see this. So that is, you need to copy out that link. Go to copy link location and probably put it on your browser or anywhere you think is okay for you. So you see Facebook / the page name / post, then this number, it's called the timestamp. Okay, so this is the timestamp. So you need, inside the timestamp, you need to remove the part of the URL from the comment to the right. You just delete it and copy the remaining URL. Try and copy. You can put it somewhere we are going to see it. Okay, then the last step to connect our blog into our chatbot is we are going to go to the grow tab. You go to the grow tab and you go to acquire users from comment. Acquire users from comment, and you come over here to click on add rule. So when you click on add rule, so you might be prompted to do this, and that is going to be for the first time you are doing it. Okay, so now you can click on your add rule. So this is the rule name. You can, for each of the lead magnets you are giving away, you can always name it based on the lead magnet, so that later if you want to delete it, or you want to duplicate it, or you want to change some things inside, you'll be able to know where to go. So let me name this, let's say the lead magnets or the ebook we are giving away, it's all about how to build a profitable chatbot. So I can name it bot lead magnet or anything you want. So now track comment under, the bot can track comments on any post and add it to the blog that we just set up, but we want it to be a specific post. That means a post that we have a specific content on it. So, and this is we need to come over here and put in our timestamp that we copy over here earlier. So I'm going to come here and paste it over here. So then I reply to post comment. Do you want to reply whatever you put here? Do you want to reply to all the people that commented automatically, or you want to reply to all people that comment a particular with a particular word? Let's say you tell them to say to comment with send. So when those people, all the people that reply with the word send, if you pick this one, are going to be sent. But if you pick all comments, so whoever says comment or send or interested or anything, any comment is going to be sent the message here. So now the message can be something like I can have something like thank you for commenting. Okay, so what can we add to get, let's say in order to get my new chatbot building ebook, please reply with the word, and that's going to be the keyword we actually want to use, the keyword that we added in our setup AI earlier, and that is bot. So whoever reply with the word bot is going to be led to the block that we set up. So the next thing to do is click on done. Okay, so once that is done, that means it is all set up. Okay, so now the next thing to do is for us to test out what we just did. So you can always come back to the page and delete the first comments that you left when you were setting things up. So now when you now post another comment over here, immediately you comment, so the bot is going to trigger my inbox, and the bot is going to send me a message that I should reply with the word bot. So when I reply with the word bot, that is when I'm going to become a subscriber of the bot. If I don't reply with the word bot, I'm not going to become a subscriber of the bot. So let's test this right away. So I'm going to reply with anything be like I'm interested or send. So if I click on this, let's see what's going to happen. So the bot is going to send me a message immediately. So as you can see, it's loading here. It's already loaded here. So it says, "I thank you for commenting. In order to get my new chatbot building ebook, please reply with the word bot." Okay, that is what we actually set up in this acquire users from comment rule. So, and it's also here, if you see, "I thank you for commenting in order to get my new ebook." So now right now, if I type bot, so I'm going to be led to the, so okay, this is the rule. So if I type bot as a reply to that instant message, so I'm going to be led to this particular block where the ebook is located, and I'm going to become a subscriber of this bot, and from then the chatbot owner can always market stuff to me or send me deliver value to me and all that. So let me type bot, so you see what's going to be the reply of the bot. Okay, the bot is typing, so you see it live. Okay, it says, oh, we left a word. So it says, I am happy for you, my first name, as promised in my book, in my post. Please click on the ebook below to download. So this is the ebook that we display. So once you click on it like this, so the ebook will download it into your system. So this is the next text we added. Thank you so much. Thank you for your interest in get. Okay, now over there I redirected the user to the update. So this, whatever is here, is going to be displayed here, and that is what you are seeing over here. So once the user is able to download the lead magnet, so the user is going to be very happy to subscribe to your, although he's already subscribed, the person is already subscribed. Okay, so that is how to acquire your chatbot users or chatbot subscribers from when they comment on your Facebook post. So thank you for watching. Please let's proceed to the next video.